y'all. Y'all, I had to turn on my front camera so that I can let y'all know. You already know, every time I say I'm gonna turn on the front camera, that means I got something here for y'all, okay? But as you know, I did post a video on the brand CISE, which is a Black-owned vegan leather brand. It is my favorite handbag brand ever. As you can see, my generational heirloom is sitting right here. Y'all, if y'all have not seen that video of the unboxing of my Protect Black Women generational heirloom handbag, it is right here, period. So definitely go and click that after watching this video. And I kind of just want to sit down and give y'all a story time of the importance of what has happened. Let me just give you some background. After recording a video with me unboxing this bag, I tagged the brand because obviously I let my little IG family know, shout out to the beloveds on IG. And I put it on my Instagram and I tagged the brand, and I was like, I'm just gonna tag them just so that if people enjoy watching the video, they can always go on their Instagram, order the bag from their from the link in their bio and everything. So I was just doing me how I always do, supporting Black businesses. And the brand reached out to me and they basically told me how excited they were to look at my review and how amazing it was. They loved the energy that I brought to the when I was unboxing it and everything. I'm kind of just simplifying everything, but just like a little synopsis of what they said. And they really enjoyed my review of the bag. So I was so happy by that alone. I was like, wow, like they actually see me. They actually responded. So I thought that was great. They were like, oh, we watched the video twice and everything. And I just thought that was amazing. And then next thing you know, the freaking CEO, the founder of the brand, okay, the founder of the brand also reached out to me and was like, I love this video. They both, the brand itself, their Instagram, and the founder posted me on their IG story. And I was just like so shooketh. And then they sent me the Sage handbag from their spring collection. So it is with so much honor and appreciation that I do another unboxing of this brand, because y'all, there's so much power in supporting one another, being there for one another, caring about one another, and a genuine reaction, which this was, y'all. When I tell you, to this day, it literally sits, when people come over, they literally see it. Like, Marcy, that's your generational heirloom? Yes, it is. My CISE bag? Yes, it is. Very much so. Y'all, I do not play about this bag, and they did not have to do that. They did not have to send me a new bag by any means. That was not the goal of me doing this unboxing. I was just genuinely happy and excited to do this unboxing. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put you right here, girl. I'm not going, you're not going to go far. You feel what I'm saying? Period. I'm going to unbox the new Sage handbag from the CISE spring collection, okay? But, I'm just so excited. I'm so blessed and I'm so happy that this has occurred to me, and it shows me how much they truly do appreciate Black women. This is a brand that is really about what they say. They're not just saying protect Black women because they think it's cool. They're not just saying protect Black women and protect Black people because it's what's appropriate for right now in today's socio-political climate. No, they truly love being supported by Black women, know that Black women support them, and then they support us back, okay? So it's me struggling. I know. Y'all, if you saw the first unboxing, y'all see how much I struggle, okay? I'm so excited, y'all. I'm trying to calm down, but I really cannot calm down. I'm so excited. I'm literally shaking. I'm literally shaking. Oh my God. Okay. I'm too excited. Hold on. I need to calm down. And it just got so hot in my apartment. I think maybe it's me. Y'all, I'm too excited. Oh my gosh. I don't want to cry. I'm so excited. Okay. Yeah, we don't care. We don't care about that. Oh my gosh, y'all. Yes, it is the Protect Black People vegan leather mini bag in the color Sage. Oh my gosh, yes. Y'all, and I don't do this stuff for show whatsoever. Baby, we're here protecting our people all day, every day. Nothing less, everything more. Period. Yes! Size. Period. There's nothing more I need to say. So their spring collection is amazing, right? I'm gonna insert it here. Their spring collection is amazing. Do not sleep on it. Go to it, buy it, select it, breathe it, okay? Y'all, give your coins to Black people, Black businesses, because it circulates within the Black community. That's all I'm gonna say. And I'm gonna say it real blunt every single time because that's something I do not play about, period. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Y'all. Let's protect my people. Oh my gosh. Shout out to y'all's team, man. Oh, his marketing team, amazing. Oh. Y'all, it is so cute. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. People rack on me because I always put the little CISE thing in the front, but I need you to know what brand it is. I'm not playing. Y'all, it literally says, look at that. Protect Black people. Look at that 3D. Oh, yes. Yes. And this has the silver accents on it. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, this thing is so beautiful. Y'all, it's so beautiful. I don't know how to, but like I said before, just like that one, it literally feels so luxe. Like, it feels so luxe. Oh my gosh. It is vegan leather. Ugh. Yes. Oh, okay, so on the inside, there you go. That's what it looks like on the inside, and it came with the straps. This one's silver, so this has silver attachments as a silver adjustable as well. It always comes with a product care, so you always know how to take care of it. I love that because, you know, there's people like me, baby, I need to know, okay? Yes, y'all follow them, period. And also follow Blake Van Putten, the founder of this brand. Okay, so I do want to show y'all. So, just like the bigger one, this one has the the attachments going diagonal like this. It does have a pocket with a zipper, you know, a pocket with a zipper. It has the detailing that says CISE right on the inside right there. Oh, yes. And the attachments, I am going to attach this on here for y'all. And y'all already know my favorite little thing. It does a little, so you ain't gotta take this whole thing off so that for it to twist back in its right spot. Oh, that'd be one of my little pet peeves, but I love that this brand really thought of everything. Like, y'all, tell me this is not cute. Tell me it's not cute. I dare you. Oh, I dare. Look at this. Look at this. Protect Black people. Protect Black people. You couldn't say it any more clear than that. Protect Black people. Color Sage and their spring collection, baby, up your cookies, period. And I'm gonna take this time right now just to say thank you so much. Like, y'all, I want to put it all in perspective. I truly do. Because over a month ago, I was looking at this bag and I was like, I really want this bag. This is so nice. It's so beautiful. And I was like, this is going to be my generational heirloom, period. And a month later, I'm sitting here with two. One I purchased with my own coins because why not? Why not? Look at it. Look at it. Like, why not? I feel like at the time, y'all, I'm not going to lie, I think I probably had around 37, maybe 23 subscribers. I'm not even at 100 right now as I'm speaking, okay? Tagged the brand on my Instagram. They recognized me. The founder, the CEO, Blake, thank you so much, reached out to me and gifted me this one. So a month later, I was like, Now I have two, one that was gifted to me by the brand themselves, and then this one I purchased on my own. This is a story within itself. This is my generational heirloom. I'm gonna keep saying it because it's true. This is my generational heirloom, right? So when I give my child one, I get to have this story attached to it. And it all came from the mere fact that this brand has a message. Protect our people, protect our community, protect who we are, our history, our culture. There's so much that our history, our peoples, our color, our melanin has endured in the history on this earth. So much. And for me to sit here and have basically a testimony of what it looks like to support Black businesses, what it looks like to support Black brands, I'm in awe of myself. And I'm in awe that this brand itself looked at me and said, she's genuine. I'm going to gift her this. Cause Blake, you really did not have to. You did not have to, but hey, I thank you though. I thank you though. But I want to thank Blake for creating this brand, for allowing this brand to speak for a community, a positive message in light of all the socio-political climate, everything that's happening right now. This is bold. This is appreciated. And I do not want to tear up because I truly will. Every day, Black women and Black people ask for protection. And this brand is so overt with that message that you cannot ignore it. So y'all, I want to encourage you to go out and buy from the spring collection. Follow CISE on Instagram. Follow Blake on Instagram. Have your door open to the support of Black people because our dollar is expensive. The Black dollar is so expensive. Even though the value of a US dollar is $1, that's not what I'm saying. I'm saying when Black folk support one another, that dollar circulates in such a rotation that it only touches Black hands. So when I support Blake and CISE, I know that I'm giving that dollar to Blake and CISE. And then I know that whatever he does, whether that's producing more bags or him supporting his community, whatever it may be, I know that it's gonna better the Black community. And some people are like, well, I want to know where my dollar is going to. As long as I know that it's going back into a Black hands, I am all for it. Because we don't question whenever we buy Chick-fil-A. We don't question whenever we buy Chipotle. We don't question anything else except for whenever we're giving our dollars to the Black community. I'm going to challenge my beloveds to support a Black business this week. I'm just saying, support us. That is a form of protection. Money is a currency, but money does equate to a protection. Okay? So protect this brand, protect Blake, protect Black people, protect Black women. Thank you so much again, Blake Van Putten. Thank you so much to the CISE brand. This is literally one of the best things that has ever happened to me. And it does not matter the growth of my channel. It does not matter how many subscribers I have. All it matters is that I support you and you support me. And I'm so grateful for that because this is going down in the history books for me personally. And beloveds, thank you so much for rocking with me, shaking with me, loving on me, and keeping me afloat. And y'all, I really just want to continue to advise you to support Black businesses. Give a shout out to CISE, give a shout out to Blake. Let them know that they're loved and they're appreciated for the message that they send to the world, y'all. So thank you so much. And again, don't forget, you a dime plus 99, period.